Are you ready to unlock the power to replicate any voice and create truly personalized audio experiences? First, let's get the tools ready. We're going to explore VapAI, a powerful platform specializing in voice cloning. Head to the VapAI website. And if you don't have an account already, create one. This tutorial will assume you have a VapAI account and you are logged in. So take a moment to do that now. Once you're logged in, find the voice cloning section within the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The interface is designed to be intuitive. You will see options guiding you through the voice cloning process. Next, select your audio source. This is the voice you want to clone. VapAI supports various audio formats. Upload your audio sample. The clearer the audio sample, the better the cloned voice will sound. Keep in mind you'll typically need several minutes of clean audio for effective cloning. Now, the AI goes to work. VapAI's sophisticated algorithms analyze the provided audio, learning the nuances of the voice, its tone, accent, and unique characteristics. Then, the AI starts building the model. This might take some time, depending on the length of the audio sample and the complexity of the voice. After the voice model is complete, you can fine-tune it to your preferences. Some platforms may offer options to adjust the voice's pitch, speed, or even add certain accents. Explore the customization options and experiment with the settings. These can drastically change the final product. The final step is the fun part. With your clone voice ready, navigate to the text-to-speech tool and type in what you want the new voice to say. Generate your audio and listen to the results. You've successfully cloned a voice with VapAI. Now it's time to get creative. Have fun.